Creating content in one place in Frog and displaying it in other areas is a very useful feature of Frog Learn. Imagine that you want to create one notice board which displays notices on both staff and student dashboards. Using the nested page widget, you can do just that. It is also useful when combined with the ePortfolio system. For example, imagine you're wanting to use ePortfolios as a planner for your students and you have a uniform policy page nested in this ePlanner. Should you wish to update the uniform page, you can change the central page and it will update all ePlanners automatically. The nested page widget retains the permissions granted by its original site, so you can use this to limit access to certain pages. For instance, if you have a photo gallery on the student dashboard as well as a poll or forum, you would want to give students contribute access so they can interact with those widgets. However, if you only wanted students to contribute to the poll or forum and not the photo gallery, you can create a page with a photo gallery on and give students view-only rights to that site, then nest that onto the student dashboard. As you can probably tell, the nested page widget offers a lot of flexibility. So to use the nested page widget, just drag the widget onto your page and then select it to display the widget settings in the edit panel. Click the Select Page icon to the right of the search bar to open up a mini Frog drive listing all the sites by their tagged category. In here you just need to click on the site you wish to embed a page from. The site will then load in the window and then you need to select the page which you want to nest and then click Use. Just before I do that, it is important to note that you cannot nest a whole site or multiple pages using this widget. The nested page widget is only intended to nest a single page from one site into another. It's also worth mentioning that page links in the nested site will also not function. Once you have clicked Use, you will see the page is now embedded into your site, stripping out any of the theme from its native site so it fits into this one nicely. The goal is for the end user not to even notice this page is actually embedded from elsewhere in the platform and look like it is a normal page on the site. You will see there is another option in the edit panel which allows you to choose the height of the nested page. It will be set to auto initially, which automatically resizes the widget to fit its contents. However, if you want to make this larger or smaller, just change the slider to manual and then enter the pixel height you wish the widget to have. If the widget becomes too small to contain all of the nested page's contents, a scroll bar will appear to the right, allowing whoever views the page to see all of its contents without taking up too much room. This is particularly useful if you need to add content underneath the nested page.